Hello everyone, this is the class of economics. This is the third chapter, part 3 of money and credit of class 10th. Firstly, if you are not subscribed the channel of Saint Xavier, so please subscribe it now. Otherwise, you are not getting the notifications of rest of the subjects. So firstly, in this video, we start the topic bank. What is the meaning of bank? Bank is a financial institution which saves our money and provide the interest on that money and also provide the loan for the needy persons, those wanted to borrow funds. Okay, they accept deposit also, granting loan. Rest functions of bank, there are some functions are given, we will see one by one. Accepting deposits accept करता है, granting loan provide करता है, providing safety to the valuables of the customer. For example, we are having gold, so it provide a account, it provide a locker for safety of the our valuable things. Transfer funds from one place to another, accepting payment for the customers, making payment on behalf of the customers, like from the bank account it provides the payment of the expenses like electricity bills, like insurance premium, like EMI of the our assets, etc. Next, main functions of bank, given two things: depositor deposit their amount in the bank, and bank provide that amount to the borrower, those wanted to take a loan. Okay, it is a main function of bank. हमसे पैसा लेता है, like हम सेविंग अकाउंट करते हैं तो हम उसमें पैसा देते हैं बैंक को, बैंक उसी पैसे को सेव करता है, उस पर हमको 4% इंटरेस्ट देता है, और उसी पैसे को वो अगेन उसी पैसे को यूटिलाइज करके जो बोरोवर है दोज वांटेड टू टेक अ फंड, उनको उसी पैसे को फंड के रूप में उनको प्रोवाइड कर देता है. उस पर 14 to 16, 12%, 10%, वॉट एवर the loans verifications are given there, according to that charge the interest on that amount. Next one is major types of deposits. There are two types of deposit given here, like one is demand deposit, second one is term deposit. Demand deposit, that deposit which is at any time when we want to demand of our withdraw of the amount of for the withdrawal, so at that time it's provide the amount, means जब हम चाहें तब हम उसको withdrawal कर सकते हैं, that is a demand deposit. Like our saving account, हम सेविंग अकाउंट में जब चाहें तब पैसा निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज टर्म डिपॉजिट, इट इज़ फॉर द फिक्स पीरियड. लाइक टर्म डिपॉजिट कुछ टाइम पीरियड के लिए फिक्स है, हम उसके बीच में उसका विड्रॉल नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी ओपन अ फिक्स डिपॉजिट फॉर 1 year, सो बिफोर 1 year वी आर नॉट able to withdraw the amount. Okay, next is four major types of deposits accounts are given here. I will tell you there are four types of accounts. One is current account, saving account, fixed deposit account, and the recurring. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. Firstly is a current account. Current account basically open on the name of the firm, not on the name of the person. It is totally based on the firm's account. इसको हम firm's account कह सकते हैं क्योंकि ये firm के नाम पे ही open होता है, किसी particular person के नाम पे नहीं. Okay, so see the एडवांटेज, देयर इज़ नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन इन डिपॉजिट, इसमें कोई भी रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं होती है डिपॉजिट की. नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन इन विड्रॉल, कोई भी रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं होती है विड्रॉल के लिए. वट हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू वांटेड टू विड्रॉल फ्रॉम दैट, सो देयर इज़ नो लिमिट, लिमिट कोई भी नहीं है आपके विड्रॉल की. नो इंटरेस्ट पेड बाय द बैंक, बट one limitations, this is a limitation, means whenever we open a current account, bank not provide any type of interest on that amount. Okay, next one is main purpose of this account to safety of the customer cash. Okay, rich businessmen and the organizations, see businessman on the organizations open a such type of accounts, it is only for the businessmen. Next one is saving deposits. Saving deposits, saving account means anyone can open the saving account. Basically, it is for the salaried people and for the civilians, means those are wanted to save our money. Okay, no restriction in deposit, इसमें भी कोई restriction नहीं होती है. Withdrawal is possible at any time. Low rate means rate of interest only 4% given, 3 to 4% paid by the bank on that amount only. Okay, main purpose of opening to save our money. Okay, small businessman and the people those are having low income, moderate income, they have to use that type of saving account. Okay, next one is recurring deposit. Recurring deposit is a account, those are fixed interval time, means this is for the fixed period. For example, we take a recurring deposit account for 5 years. Okay, but there is a procedure, means every month we paid some amount. Okay, for 5 months, after that we got the fixed amount with the interest. लाइक हर मंथ हम उसकी ईएमआई भरेंगे 5 years तक, उसके बाद हमको विद इंटरेस्ट वो अमाउंट रिसीव हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज विड्रॉल इज ओनली ऑन मेच्योरिटी. इसमें विड्रॉल हम बीच में नहीं कर सकते, मेच्योरिटी के बाद ही मिलेगा. गुड रेट ऑफ रिटर्न, बैंक इस पे अच्छा रिटर्न देती है. मेन पर्पस ओपनिंग टू सेविंग अवर मनी. ओके, पीपल रेगुलर इनकम, यूजुअली जिनकी रेगुलर इनकम होती है ना, जो डे मंथली वाइज या क्वार्टरली वाइज हाफ ईयरली बेसिस इसको कर सकते हैं, उनके लिए बेसिकली बना है. Next one is fixed deposit. It is totally fixed amount for the fixed period. Means we have to fix 5,000 for 5 years. Before 5 years, we are not withdrawing that amount. Okay. So see the conditions. Fixed amount is deposit for the fixed period. I have told you. Withdrawal is only on the maturity. I have told you. Highest rate of interest given by the bank. It is mandatory. Next one is purpose saving only. People having no investment, जिनकी कोई investment नहीं होती, for future deposits, they have to open the fixed deposit account. नेक्स्ट वन इज डिमांड डिपॉजिट इज अ मॉडर्न फॉर्म ऑफ मनी. डिमांड डिपॉजिट आपके मॉडर्न फॉर्म ऑफ मनी है. हाउ वी मीन्स डिमांड डिपॉजिट व्हेन वी वांटेड टू withdraw our money with the help of ATM, with the help of check, we have to withdraw our amount. Next one is it can be used by the debit card and the net banking also. Okay, it has a purchasing power also, because money having a purchasing power. Okay, so next one is modern form of money. Money is anything that purchasing power, means demand deposit always having a purchasing power, because जब भी हम चाहें तब पैसा हम निकाल सकते हैं. तो you have to say money is equal to purchasing power. Demand deposit is equal to purchasing power. Purchasing power is equal to money. Okay, हम जब चाहें तब पैसा निकाल सकते हैं. Next one, it will a check. Check means it is a written document which is given by the depositor, means those are having account holder, means account holder only use this check for payment. Okay, for payment purpose, means जिसका अकाउंट होता है वो इस चेक को यूज करके किसी भी को पेमेंट कर सकता है. ओके, देयर इज अ गिवन फॉर्मेट इज हियर, यू हैव सीन. लिसन हियर, पे रुपी, हाउ मच अमाउंट और किसको पे कर रहे हैं, अमाउंट को हम नंबर्स में रखेंगे, यहाँ पे हमारा साइन रहेगा, मीन्स दोज आर हैविंग अकाउंट, उनके लिए. दिस इज ओनली बेसिकली फॉर द अकाउंट होल्डर ओनली. Next one is features of check. It is a written document written by the depositor, means only paid by the depositor, account holder. Next one, order to pay. It is ये ऑर्डर होता है बैंक के लिए कि इस अमाउंट को आप पे कर दें मेरे अकाउंट से. मॉडर्न ऑफ फॉर्म ऑफ मनी, मॉडर्न फॉर्म मनी की है. इसेंशियल कंपोनेंट्स, सिग्नेचर ऑफ द डिपॉजिटर मैंडेटरी, नेम ऑफ द पे, किसको हम पैसा पे कर रहे हैं उसका नाम, अमाउंट मस्ट बी स्पेसिफाइड इन वर्ड्स एंड नंबर, नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स में पता होना चाहिए कितना अमाउंट हम दे रहे हैं. डेट ऑफ ड्रॉइंग. नेक्स्ट वन, अकाउंट नंबर ऑफ डिपॉजिटर, अकाउंट नंबर डिपॉजिटर का होना चाहिए, किस अकाउंट से पैसा देना है. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग मी. सी द नेक्स्ट वीडियो ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. थैंक यू.